Okay, so I've made this homemade orange sauce, and it really smells quite nice. I must say, the fresh ginger and garlic is really well, and I was trying to find the can. Oh, hold on. So this is the oranges that I used, okay? Reason being is because it has the orange juice in it, and if you use fresh mandarin oranges and boil them down, it doesn't work the same. I've tried it. This will be the tofu that we're going to use today. And then this is the Chinese style batter mix that I've used, which worked out pretty well last time, so we're going to try it on tofu now. Alright, the tofu is fried up in the batter. Alright, and we got the rice. Okay, so it turned out quite well. We stirred the sauce all together. We got green and yellow bell peppers, Chinese eggplant, the tofu, a little bit of sesame seeds. Looks great, Mashaallah, tabarakallah. Okay, so this is what it looks like plated. Very aromatic. Alright, the flavor is fantastic, and I really enjoy how the texture came out. It's really good. Panda Express ain't got none on me. The tofu has a nice texture, and man, using Chinese eggplant works really well. But I do like using regular eggplant, but it does seem to work well. Whew. I'd say you could also add in, broccoli if you wanted, but I think it's sufficient like this. Bon appetit!